Hey, this is GUI Game Dev. In this short tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to use while and for loop. To start, make sure you have a script. To create a script, right click on your mouse, click on create, click on C# script. I'll be naming it loops for this example, but you can name it what you want. Now click on a game object and drag the script over to it. Now open the script so we can get into some coding. For loops, run until a condition is met. 3.4 bracket int I equals to 0 and finish it with a semicolons. This next section is the condition that once is met will stop the for loop. So if I say if I is less than 5, we want it to add 1 to it. So we do I++. I will use debug to show the for loop is working. Once I click on run, you can see for loop runs 5 times if you count 0. While loops are only used if the condition is true. I made a simple way to start my while loop. Whenever you make a while loop, make sure to close it. Otherwise, Unity is very likely to crash. To start a while loop, type while brackets your condition, mine is true, is equal to true. I'ma use debug again and say working, and ending it by setting my bool to false. If I run this again, you can see everything works. If you want to see some more semi-weekly short tutorials, make sure you subscribe. Goodbye.